In this discussion, we include Chapter 29 and Chapter 30. Indeed, we move back and forth with certain slides. So please open PowerPoint 29 and 30 in your windows. Slide 2 in Chapter 29 discusses agency relationship, which is the most common form of business relationship, which is good news for us because most of us understand this from our own experiences. If you've worked for another or done an errand for someone, you were an agent of that other. So to start, we'll use a metaphor of the head and the hand. You've been the hands to someone's head if you were an employee. The employer hired you, hired other workers to do the work that the head by itself could not do. The head can hire other heads. Slide 4 shows that the heads work with other heads or independent contractors, but in this type of relationship there's less control than with the head to hand. In other words, the employer would like to hire people to do work and not be legally responsible for the work, yet independent contractors are independent for a reason. So to obtain more control, the employer seeks out hands, which are the agents, here the employees. Yet that relationship creates more liability for the employer, the head. But more control means more legal liability because the hand is acting on behalf of the head. They are one and not two. So then let's review the liability that flows from the employer. Consider slide 5 as we discuss factors which lead to finding that there is an agency relationship. For just because a person denies that there was an agency does not mean the court will. Please pause and read this list first, and then we can review a particular question.